Clearly, software is a lot faster to build these days, and especially for smaller projects and things that are being built completely from the ground up. I think that's the most productive way to use the tools, the fastest to get something that's up and working. But building and buying has a couple different considerations you want to think about. And one of those key decision points that I guide people on is to think through, is this thing core to your business or is it context or around your business? So, is it that some capability that's solving a key part of the business problem, it's tied directly to your value stream that you're delivering as a business, or it's just doing something around it that has to support that value? One example that I see a bunch is project management software, or even I'd add the famous to-do list application that people have to build with Cloud Code. Um, a lot of those exist today as vendor software packages. You could prompt Claude Code and build one of those tools in probably 2 minutes and have something up and working. It's just, it's a well-known space, and you could curate it just for you. Question is, should you do that? And I think you have to think about that core versus context. If you're a project management company, then maybe you want to build project management software for yourself. If you're an asset manager, maybe you don't want to do that. Uh, so you got to think about, can you actually do it better than the things that are out there? How bad are they? How expensive are they? You also have to think about, and this is the thing people always forget, do you have the ability to support that software forever? So if you build a tool that's not, even if it's just for yourself, if it breaks, guess who's fixing it? Or if you build it for your team, guess who's fixing it? So it's the support cost. There's like ongoing infrastructure cost if you're deploying it. There's security worries, which now become your problem if you get hacked as a company or you have some kind of leak. So all these things you inherit and are part of why the software exists out there today that already does this. So at Ridgeline, we don't have customers really that they don't want to build the software that we maintain and offer. But like I was saying before, we had one customer who built some things around it. So they have ideas for optimizations and customizations, and we support that through our extensibility strategy. So it's why we want to have great APIs. That's why we want to have an MCP server for hooking up to your agents. We have a pretty well-stacked integration platform that makes it easy to build data in and out of Ridgeline for the types of tools that you want to build, and we just want to make that easy. So I think everybody is building something, building more. They just need to question what those things are and are they the best places to be investing. I think with the SaaS apocalypse news of the last quarter or so, I think it's been really interesting to watch. And I think most asset managers don't want to rebuild and then support everything that they're getting from their SaaS vendors. And that when you buy software, that's the support, the maintenance, the infrastructure, that's all included in the cost. That's the kind of magic of software as a service, as it were. So I think there's definitely there's going to be more building of custom software around things that are core to your business and core to your secret sauce.